Pastor shot and succumbed to his injuries in Cassava, Peace, St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man who has only been identified as Marlon, otherwise called Pastor from Cassava Peace in St. Andrew, was shot in his community on Saturday morning. Reports are that at around 11:05 a.m., Marlon was sitting along the gully bank when a white Toyota motor car drove up and men alighted from it and opened gunfire at him. The injured man was reportedly rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. The police say they have not yet established a motive for the gun attack but are following several leads. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.